of Minnesota enacts right to repair law that covers more devices than any other state. The AI revolution has begun. Here's how Wall Street is reacting to Nvidia's jaw-dropping earnings report that added $230 billion to its market value. The Trump-DeSantis showdown is now official, and artificial intelligence is right in the middle of it. Twitter glitches derail Florida Governor Ron DeSantis' presidential announcement with Elon Musk. Your pets produce just as much pollution as private jets, says luxury aviation company boss. A GOP consultant who had over $1 million in robocall donations funneled to his companies says the real compensation was Americans getting involved in politics. Tesla will bring its supercharger network to Ford, a competitor in the EV market, to help bring the car company to equal footing, Elon Musk says. A retailer just blocked 42,000 customers from its site for returning too many items. It could trigger a new wave of returns backlash. The dollar's dominance faces several non-economic threats amid a more fragmented global system, says Mohammed El-Arian.